Welcome back after the break to Insurance Mantra. Joining me now is Prerak Sethi, co-founder, India Insurtech Association. An Insurtech expert and industry thought leader will talk about how technology is reshaping the insurance landscape from digital distribution and AI-driven underwriting to faster claims and better customer experience. Prerak, welcome to Insurance Mantra. It's great to have you with us today. So to begin with, Prerak, I just want to ask you what kind of insurtech companies are working in insurance space and what kind of offerings they are giving to policyholders.
Thank you, Anuragji. First, let me define the word insurtech. In my mind, an insurtech can be any company working in insurance which has a strong technology and data DNA in their approach to business. So in this definition, an insurtech can be an insurance company, an insurance distributor, a software company, or even a service provider like TPAs. Now, if you look at insurtechs in India, they're really falling into two categories. First, there are a set of insurtech companies building for the India domestic market and solving for the India penetration problem, which is the penetration problem in India. Now, to your question, these are companies that are pure play distributors, for example, a Policy Bazaar or a Policy Boss. We've got insurance companies like a Digit or an ACO that consider themselves to be insurtechs. We've got companies that are working in underwriting, companies that are working in claims. There are companies that are helping customers file claims with insurance companies. There are TPAs that consider themselves to be insurtech companies. So really across the entire value chain is what we find, Anurag, these companies come up. But second, I also want to say, by the way, there are a set of insurtechs that are building from India, but building for the global insurance industry. And their clients may be insurers in the US, Southeast Asia, Japan, etc. These companies are also sitting all over India, right? They're in Bangalore, Gurgaon, Pune, Chennai, all over the country. They also have a lot of diverse offerings. They can be software as service technology provider platforms. They can be companies building insurance risk models, analytics companies, or even pure play IT development companies with a focus on insurance. But if you look at this community of insurtechs in India, I'll say I'm proud to say that we've really grown. India is definitely now considered to be a global insurtech hub. And this is reflecting in our numbers. First, revenue for Indian insurtech companies have grown 10 times from 2019. And have reached over $1 billion in revenue. Second, investors have also noticed this progress by Indian insurtech companies and have invested over $2.7 billion over the last few years into the Indian insurtech sector. So if you'll ask me, fantastic time to be building in the Indian insurtech ecosystem. We've got all the ingredients of growth. We've got a large untapped domestic market where we can build insurtech solutions at scale.
Okay.
We've got a vast talent pool of engineers. Product managers. So great time to be building.
Prerak, my next question to you is Insurtech helping insurance companies to reduce their cost, to reduce their expenses, or insurance companies are investing heavily on Insurtech and it's a long way after which they will get the proper returns?
Anurag, there are, again, in the definition of insurtech, there are a few different types of insurtech companies that exist today. So first, there are, if I just pick up innovation and examples, right, for a minute. First, there are a set of insurance companies, insurtech companies that are collaborating together to focus on building new insurance products. So India, as you know, is a very diverse country from a socio-economic, cultural, weather, geographical diversity perspective. A product that works in one city may not work in another city. So what India needs, if you want to meet insurance fall by 2047, is we need thousands of insurance products that cater to very specific customer segments. And this is where insurtech companies that have built technology platforms are going to insurance companies and enabling them across the value chain. So this is for product, underwriting, risk, servicing, claims operations, which brings in efficiency to insurance companies, brings automation, and brings better decision-making capabilities. Which, by the way, then results in cheaper products being available in the market. That would be one. But we also have insurtech companies that are working with insurance companies on distribution. We've got insurtech companies that are working on building insurance awareness. Gen AI is a great example of a new technology evolution where now it's very easy to create highly customized content, for example, to build insurance awareness. And the insurtech companies working in that space. And then finally, there are also insurtech companies that are working to build value-added services that they are offering to insurance companies, who in turn are offering them to customers. Great example is health insurance, wherein health insurance and insurance companies have moved beyond the traditional products to offering monitoring of health, preventative service, outpatient coverages. And here, Insurtechs and health tech companies are becoming service providers to insurance industries.
Prerak, my next question is artificial intelligence. It means now AI is talk of the town and talk of everywhere. So how AI is reshaping insurance industry, insurtech industry, and what kind of benefits insurance companies are getting from use of AI in underwriting and in claim settlement?
First, I'll say, Anurag, to your question earlier, insurers are using now AI and Gen AI across sales, underwriting, claims, renewals to automate repetitive work and accelerate their own decision making. As per the latest India Insurtech Association BCG report, full-scale adoption of AI can unlock over 215,000 crores in new revenue for insurers and over 25,000 crores in cost savings. And now, this is because AI is helping reduce the turnaround time, improving employee productivity at insurers, and freeing up people at these organizations to focus on higher value activities. And these efficiency gains, by the way, are then they come to the insurers and they're giving it back to the customers in terms of cheaper premiums. That would be number one. But the second, I think more importantly, AI is also helping to elevate the customer experience to a whole new level. So through AI-powered virtual assistants, multilingual voice bots, customers are now getting answers immediately, renewing policies seamlessly, filing claims without any human intervention. So you can imagine a future very close to us where you can settle a claim within minutes through AI-assisted processes that validate documents, checks coverages, and processes payments. This is finally leading to better customer transparency, faster service, and a sense of trust that was missing earlier. So fantastic time to be using AI in our industry is what I would say.
Prerak, my final question to you, how insurance brokers or insurance agents can use artificial intelligence, insurtech to give better experience to customers?
It's actually really interesting, Anurag, but I would say that AI and insurtech is offering insurance agents and brokers an opportunity to become turbocharged, if not anything else. So I'll provide this in some context and with some examples, right? I think AI is helping insurance agents and brokers to build stronger relationships with their customers through smarter insights, more timely engagement. And it's one of the biggest and most exciting opportunities for agents and brokers. You know, we are moving from a world where insurance agents or brokers depended purely on the memory and experience in the past, but now they have access to sales AI co-pilots assisting them in real time. These AI tools can help these insurance agents prepare for meetings, analyze a customer's insurance portfolio, suggest a right insurance product and pitch, all at the click of a button now. Second, AI is also helping these insurance agents build ongoing engagement with the customers. For example, an AI co-pilot can remind the insurance agent when a policy is for renewal, generate a personalized renewal message, and even predict which customers may need an upgrade or an add-on cover. This kind of proactive advice not only saves time for the insurance agent, but also strengthens the trust and loyalty between them and the customers. And finally, I'll also say Gen AI is also transforming how insurance agents are able to communicate. Insurance agents, brokers can instantly generate personalized emails, WhatsApp messages, presentations in their preferred language and tone. Now, this earlier would have taken hours of drafting. Now it can all be done in seconds, letting these insurance agents focus on the meaningful advisory conversations rather than paperwork. So in a nutshell, AI can become a new assistant for every insurance agent, insurance broker, helping them understand the customer better, serve them faster, and build engagement.
Thank you so much, Prerak, for joining our Insurance Mantra show and sharing your insights on Insurtech. It's a time to wrap the show, but we'll leave you with our insurance basic. Did you know, just like you keep your shares